Most entrepreneurs focus on getting more clients, more money, more opportunities. But the real question is, can you hold more without feeling overwhelmed? If your nervous system thinks of more success with pressure or exhaustion or loss of freedom, you'll resist or sabotage your growth. So let's break this down with 3 shifts that will help you actually expand your capacity. Number 1, regulate your nervous system. If you're constantly rushing to the next goal or you feel anxious about whether you can sustain success, you're struggling to enjoy what you've already built and your body is stuck in survival mode. So imagine that you signed 3 new high-ticket clients in a week. Maybe instead of celebrating, your subconscious mind actually jumps to, can I handle this workload? Or what if they don't get the results and ask for a refund? Your body feels tighter and suddenly everything feels more stressful. So here's the shift. Start practicing receiving without immediately trying to fix or do something. When you receive a payment, take a deep breath and feel gratitude instead of thinking about the next bill. When a client praises you, let the words land instead of brushing it off. Slow down and remind your nervous system in life, it's safe to have more. Number 2, rewrite that success equals burnout. If your mind associates more clients or money or visibility with working harder, you're going to resist the expansion, even if you say you want it. So an example, let's say you want to scale to 20K months, but you unconsciously believe if I have double the clients, I'll have double the stress. So without realizing it, you delay your launch, you avoid selling, or you keep tweaking your offer instead of putting it out there. So here's a shift. Redefine success as something that supports you instead of drains you. Because what if more clients actually meant more ease because you raise your prices or you refine your systems or you can ask for more support? What if more money meant you didn't need to hustle as much and you got to step into the energy of attracting? Ask yourself, if I fully trusted I could find more success with ease, how would I show up differently? Number 3, strengthen your identity. Become the version of you who can hold more. Your business growth will always match your self-identity. So if you're someone or you identify as someone who struggles with money or drops the ball or can't manage success, think about the way you talk about yourself, then it's going to be really hard to attract more. So maybe, for example, you're a woman who desires a 6-figure business, but you still identify as someone who isn't good with money. You'll constantly find ways to block the money. You might overspend or you might undercharge or you'll avoid looking at your finances. So here's a shift. Upgrade the identity to match the level of success that you desire and start affirming on a daily basis, I am capable of holding and enjoying the level of success I desire. Embody the version of you who already trusts herself to run a thriving business. Make small shifts. Act like the 6-figure CEO today, even in small ways throughout your day. And remember, your business growth is not just about strategy. It's truly about expanding your energy and your nervous system so that you feel safe receiving at the level that you desire. Let me know which shift resonated the most with you. And if you're ready to really rewire these subconscious blocks and step into a business that feels as good as it looks, let's work together. There's a link below in the description to apply to work with me one-to-one.